Now, I'd like to talk about the 6 months bad debt relief and recover rule under Custom Malaysia. First, a GST registered business can claim back the output tax they have paid if their customer have not paid them or partially fully paid them for 6 months from the date of invoice. The business should also have at least made best effort to recover the debt via statement as well as letter of warning. Now let's use this example. An invoice is issued on the 15th of January, as you can see here, and 6 months later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in June, it will be considered a bad debt and therefore can claim for bad debt relief. Now we understand that the customer may not be actually a bad debt customer, but under custom, this is a mechanism to help business to recover any output tax they have paid if it's more than 6 months and they have not fully or partially received any payment. So on the 6th month it has been expired, and therefore on the 7th month in July they can claim back bad debt relief, and this must be claimed immediately in July taxable period after 6 months. The reason why it must be claimed immediately is if the bad debt is not claimed immediately upon expiry of 6 months, then the business must apply in writing to custom for approval if they choose to do it at a later date and up to the 6 years. Now what about bad debt recover? Say, as we mentioned earlier, it's actually not a bad debt, it's just that the debtor have delayed their payment. Now when the GST registered business managed to recover the amount, whether in full or in partial, from their debtor, then they must be able to pay back the custom the GST tax amount exactly proportion to the payment that they have recovered from the debtor. Since they managed to claim bad debt relief earlier, now that they recover, they need to pay back custom. We will use again another example. The invoice is issued on the 15th of January on 2016. 6 months later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it has been expired. Therefore, on the 7th month, they can claim back for bad debt relief. But now, 8, 9, 10, 11, and on the 12 months, 20th December 2016, they managed to recover the debt. So once they recovered, they must pay back to custom immediately on the December taxable period. Now in SQL account, we will automatically calculate the 6 months bad debt relief and as well as recovered automatically. No human intervention required. The system will automatically calculate and fill up the form for you under 8 as well as 9 in the GST 03. However, let it be warning that the bad debt goes both ways. The meaning of that is that if you don't pay your supplier, then the 6 months later, you must pay back custom the input tax that your business have claimed earlier. So it goes both ways.